Now you can get the OE parts you need with RO-Writer's new OEC RepairLink Catalog integration. Say you need an air filter. From your repair order, with one click, you're in RepairLink. No need to manually log in or re-enter the vehicle. RO-Writer does it for you. You can use the keyword search, or you can search by category. Here you can either select the part you need, or click on the diagram to see an exploded view of the system. Narrow your search by clicking on the part, and your cost and availability is displayed. Add the part to the shopping cart, and transfer the part to RO-Writer, where the part is automatically priced based on your RO-Writer Smart Matrix. Select the job and send the part to the repair order. Get the OE part you need, fast and easy, with just a few clicks and no rekeying. Only with RO-Writer.